Hi guys, today we'll show you how to engage and disengage the electric parking brake in Lexus UX. First of all, this is a button that will be used to do this, and currently the parking brake is engaged and you will see it on the main display, this P. Now to disengage it, what we'll need to do is we have to press the brake pedal and pull the button. So currently you will see that the P sign will disappear. This means that the parking brake is currently disengaged. To re-engage it, what you need to do now, without pressing the brake pedal, simply push the button down. You will see the sign back on. This means the parking brake is engaged. Currently we are in the automatic mode of the system. Right now I'll show you how to enable the manual one. To enable the manual mode, we'll need to press the brake pedal and pull the P button. Pull and hold. And shortly, you will see this message on the main display. EPB shift interlock function deactivated. This means that the manual mode is now on. Right now we are in the manual mode, and as you can see, there is no parking brake light on the main screen. This means that the parking brake is disabled. So now, even if I put the vehicle into drive and back to park, as you can see, we still don't see the light. This means that right now we can only turn the parking brake on and off manually. For example, I will put the vehicle into drive. I will start moving slowly right now. As you can see, the vehicle is moving, and I will engage the parking brake. I will press the button, and as you can see, it stops our vehicle, and we can see the parking brake light. So now, even though we are in drive, currently our vehicle is being held by the parking brake. I will put it back into park, and I will disengage the parking brake. Right now the vehicle is in park, and we don't have the parking brake light on the screen. Parking brake is disengaged, and right now I'll show you how to enable the automatic mode back on. What you'll need to do is simply press and hold this parking brake button. First the parking brake will engage, and shortly after, again we will see this message, EVB shift interlock function activated. So now we are going back to normal. So every time now you engage the drive, put the vehicle into drive, parking brake will disappear on the main screen, and when you put it back into park, it will reappear automatically. Normally you should always use the automatic mode. The manual mode can be useful in winter, for example, to prevent rear brakes from seizing. But other than that, as I said, you should always keep it in the automatic. That's how the electric parking brake works in Lexus UX 250h. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.